Number 1. 1976 Ford F-150, won $1,800, Coral, Michigan, Pakarndash. Powered by Ford's legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this 1980 Ford F-150 long bed is known for exceptional durability and dependable performance. The seller notes that the truck runs great, making the transmission its primary mechanical concern. Despite needing transmission repairs, the truck remains impressively solid for its age, making it an affordable foundation for restoration or a reliable work truck. The rugged simplicity of Ford's F-Series from this era continues to make these pickups popular among classic truck enthusiasts, thanks to their excellent parts availability and proven longevity. Number 2. 1974 Chevrolet C-30 dump truck, $3,500, Hagerstown, Maryland. This 1974 Chevrolet C-30 dump truck is a practical, heavy-duty classic that still runs, drives, and features a fully operational dump bed. Equipped with a manual transmission, it remains an excellent choice for farm work, landscaping, or restoration into a dependable vintage work truck. The seller describes it as fully functional, making it more than just a project. Chevrolet's C-30 models earned a reputation for toughness, and finding a working dump bed example at this price makes it an attractive opportunity for collectors or anyone needing a classic utility vehicle. Number 3. 1980 Chevrolet K-10 Scottsdale, $2,200, Gent, Minnesota. Equipped with a 4-bolt main 350 cubic inch V8 and the nearly indestructible Turbo 400 automatic transmission, this 1980 Chevrolet K-10 Scottsdale remains a capable 4-wheel drive truck. It starts easily, runs, drives, and stops well, while all lighting and wipers remain operational. Factory air conditioning is included, with replacement components accompanying the sale. Cosmetic issues include rust in the cab floor and a torn seat, while the radio and blower fan require attention. Riding on oversized 37-inch Humvee tires, this K-10 would serve well as a mud truck, farm truck, or restoration project. Square-body Chevrolets continue to be among the most desirable classic pickups in today's collector market. Number 4. 1968 Ford F-250 heavy-duty long bed, $4,000, Judsonia, Arkansas. This 1968 Ford F-250 heavy-duty long bed offers a solid starting point for enthusiasts seeking a vintage heavy-duty Ford pickup. Featuring an automatic transmission and a clean title, the truck reportedly runs and drives, requiring only the installation of the included starter. Having recently come from an auction, it presents itself as an affordable restoration candidate with very little standing in the way of getting it back on the road. The 4th-generation F-Series trucks are admired for their rugged styling and heavy-duty construction, making them increasingly collectible today. Number 5. 1977 Datsun long bed pickup, $1,700. Alexander, Arkansas. This remarkably original 1977 Datsun pickup retains 100% stock configuration with just 73,460 miles. The lower end of its engine has already been rebuilt, although the cylinder head still requires attention before completion. The untouched body proudly displays its original patina, with only surface rust preserving its authentic appearance. These lightweight Japanese pickups have developed a loyal following thanks to their reliability, simplicity, and unique vintage character, making this an excellent shop truck or restoration candidate. Number 6. 1964 International C1100 4x4 Stepside, $2,750, McAlester, Oklahoma. Rarely seen today, This 1964 International C1100 features the highly desirable short, wide Stepside bed and factory four-wheel drive system. Powered by a 304 cubic inch V8 backed by a Warner Gear T98 4-speed manual transmission, the truck includes numerous valuable accessories, including factory manuals, a line ticket, new ignition components, a new battery, and brand new vintage military tires. Although currently not running and needing attention to the starting system, its uncommon configuration and documented history as a Texas ranch truck make it an exciting restoration opportunity for collectors seeking something beyond the typical Ford or Chevrolet. Number 7. 1984 GMC 4x4 pickup, $15,000 Tucson, Arizona. This heavily upgraded 1984 GMC pickup has recently received a brand new 400 cubic inch small block V8 with only approximately 500 miles of use. Complementing the fresh drivetrain are four-wheel drive, a 6-inch suspension lift, positive traction rear differential, and new wheels and tires. Although carrying a rebuilt title, the truck offers the performance and capability expected from a professionally upgraded off-road build. Classic GMC trucks from the 1980s continue gaining popularity, especially when fitted with tasteful mechanical improvements. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet K-10 4x4 diesel dollars, Pleasanton, California. Powered by the reliable 6.2-liter diesel V8 and equipped with the rugged SM465 4-speed manual transmission, this rust-free 1984 Chevrolet K-10 has undergone extensive mechanical restoration. Nearly every major wear item has been replaced, including both fuel tanks, braking system, suspension components, air conditioning system, cooling system, glow plugs, interior upholstery, radiator, and door hardware. California's exemption from emissions testing for this diesel truck further enhances its appeal. Whether preserved as a diesel survivor or converted into a performance build, this exceptionally maintained square body offers tremendous value. Number 9. 1947 Ford truck, $20,000, Affton, Missouri. Presented in overall good condition, this 1947 Ford truck represents one of America's earliest post-war pickups. Equipped with a V8 engine, manual transmission, and a clean title, it offers timeless styling that continues to attract collectors. While seller information is limited, trucks from this generation are highly desirable thanks to their classic rounded body design and excellent customization potential. Whether preserved in original form or upgraded into a vintage cruiser, this Ford remains an icon of post-war American truck history. Number 10. 1947 Ford flatbed street rod, $18,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This professionally built 1947 Ford flatbed street rod blends vintage styling with dependable, modern performance. Power comes from a Chevrolet 400 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission and Ford 9-inch rear axle. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, heater, Bluetooth-compatible Kentwood stereo, and a gooseneck hitch, making the truck surprisingly practical. Finished in striking purple, it runs and drives exceptionally well, while offering the reliability expected from a thoughtfully constructed street rod. Number 11. 1979 Ford F-100 XLT, $15,000, Pueblo, Colorado. This rare 1979 Ford F-100 XLT comes equipped with the dependable 302 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, showing just 56,304 miles. Offered as part of an estate sale, the truck appears to have been well preserved and represents one of the final generations of the classic dent-side Ford pickups. Low mileage, well-equipped XLT models have become increasingly difficult to locate, making this an appealing investment-grade classic for collectors seeking originality. Number 12. 1978 Dodge D200 Tradesman Custom Pickup, $14,500. Everett, Washington. Originally converted from a Dodge van, this customized 1978 Dodge D200 Tradesman offers an interesting blend of utility and individuality. Powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it benefits from numerous updates including a new clutch, exhaust system, rhino-lined bed, upgraded interior, modern touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rebuilt wipers, and excellent brakes. With minimal rust and strong mechanical condition, this truck delivers vintage charm alongside everyday drivability. Number 13. 1987 Dodge Ram 50 4x4, $500. Santa Fe, New Mexico. At just $500, this 1987 Dodge Ram 50 presents one of the most affordable classic truck projects available. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a clean title, the truck starts, runs, and drives, but is currently stuck in second gear. Built by Mitsubishi and sold under the Dodge name, the Ram 50 is known for its dependable drivetrain and compact size. With transmission repairs, this inexpensive pickup could become a practical vintage daily driver or enjoyable restoration project. Number 14. 1976 Chevrolet C20 Stepside 4x4, $15,000. Deer Lodge, Montana. This beautifully maintained 1976 Chevrolet C20 Stepside combines one of Chevrolet's most sought-after body styles with true 4-wheel drive capability. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block V8 with only around 10,000 miles, the truck has received numerous new components supported by extensive receipts. The classic stepside bed, manual transmission, and solid mechanical condition make it equally suitable for weekend cruising, local shows, or long-term collecting. Well-restored square-body-era Chevrolet trucks continue to appreciate in value, making this a highly desirable example.